Okay, I guess you can just start because,
Hello?
yeah, Ahmad is there. Okay, the Picasso. Okay, and whom else do we have? Mazam and Mutabbir are yet to join in. I just spoke to them. They said they are joining in. Okay, I think you just start maybe.
Okay. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
This is the way you say hi to your teacher, art teacher. Yo, hi. Go on, guys. Show some enthusiasm. It's art.
So great. So
Fun.
we're gonna have fun again today. I hope you all enjoyed your Sakura painting. I haven't seen everybody's paintings yet, but I'm hoping that you will all put it up on the group. So today we are going to do something different. Normally, when we talk about painting, we always think of colors. And today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to use monochromatic color scheme. Now, what is monochromatic color scheme? Mono means single. So monochromatic color scheme is using single color, but different shades and tones of the same color. So different shades and tone means you can either add black to get a different shade, or you can add white to get a tone. Tone means lighter shade of the color and shade is the darker. Everybody understood? So today I'm going to do I'm going to be using only black and white. So just to begin with, we will start with black and white, so you understand the concept of monochromatic color scheme. So all of you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So first, I just want you all to practice, because there's going to be shading in this. So now I'll start my video. Can you all see my page?
Yeah, we can.
Yes. Okay. Now suppose I just draw one simple triangle. So I want all of you to just start, draw one triangle along with me. This is just practice, okay? So we'll come to the main thing later. Just
Okay, so this is just a practicing a hands-on how to use the monochromatic theme, right, Aparna?
Yes.
Okay,
Here
okay.
you will understand how we are going to shade. So now suppose this is a triangle which, mountains are triangles, okay? So we are going to be doing mountains. So let me just start by showing you how to shade. So just the top of the mountain, I'm going to use black. Okay. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now just stop for a minute and now see, now you have cotton with you. Either you can use a cotton or you can use a rough cloth, like I'll be using a rough cloth. So I've just pinned the cloth to my finger like this.
Will tissue work?
Yeah, there's tissue or cotton, you can use that. Or a rough cloth. Can you all see now? Just
Yes,
a
yes,
minute.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, so now after applying the black color, I'm going to just rub it to where I want the color to go. Okay. So if you can see, the top of the mountain, the top of the triangle is black, but you're getting a shade below it.
Wow, superb.
So try to rub it as much as possible so that the color moves completely in the triangle. Has everybody understood so far?
Yeah. Oh, fantastic.
Amina,
Amina,
very nice.
Abdullah
Yeah.
Saqib also is done.
1 second.
Wow.
Abdullah Saqib, very nice. And who else is showing me?
Safiya.
Safiya, yes, that's good.
Farhana.
Farhana, very good.
Ma'am,
Very
this
nice.
is practice, right, ma'am?
If you'll just have to take your name, please, huh? Because I can't see all of you all on the same screen. I have to move. Mountain.
You know what? All this time that we were friends, Aparna and myself, she never showed me all these tricks. And you guys are so lucky that she's actually teaching you all these tricks, how to go about with the monochromatic painting and everything. Yeah, Munib is showing you, Aparna.
Yes, very nice. Munib, very nice. So I think everybody has understood what I'm trying to show you.
Yes.
So I'll go ahead now. Okay.
Yes, we can
So
do
now
that.
this we have used black. That is the darkest shade, correct? So now we go a shade lighter. So in your oil pastels, you might have two different gray shades. So this is the darker gray shade that I've used, which I can just use below the dark shade of black. Can you see that? Can everybody
Ma'am,
see
we have to
me?
use yellow, white.
Can you please take your name because I don't know who's talking.
Abdullah Saqib.
Abdullah
Just a
Saqib.
moment, Abdullah. Just a moment. I don't see him on the screen, Shabana.
Abdullah Saqib.
Yeah, now he's
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
There he is.
Okay, can you just show me your painting? Abdullah, I can't see your work. Yeah. Okay. So here, this black needs to be slightly
black,
more
which
faded,
color
okay?
will you have to use?
Just a moment. Abdullah, see what I've done here is, if you can see the black, suppose randomly I have put, okay? I have not made a line like this, like how you have it now. So you need to rub that off. And then when you shade, you can see so that edge should not be there. That's all I want. But now how you're going to cover up on the edges, you're going to use this dark gray color and you shade it right below that. So your edge has disappeared. Can you see that now?
Yes.
Abdullah? Yeah. And then you can again just rub on it. So you, again, the painting will start fading and the shade will come down.
So basically you want that the colors should blend.
Yes, yes. So
There shouldn't be any distinguishing between a black and a gray. So it should blend. There shouldn't be a line, a demarcation shouldn't be there, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
So you will get a shade. So now here, as I
Okay, Amina is showing you, Aparna. She's put the gray also. Amina, you've done the gray also?
Yes.
Yes, that's good. That's good. Now the gray also, I want you all to just spread it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to draw the mountain also and the other one also.
No,
No,
no, no. That I'm
Safiya.
just,
Like the mountain.
yeah, I was just explaining Abdullah.
Safiya, just the mountain. The other one was just to show to Abdullah how to do it, the technique, okay? Yeah,
Farhana, that's
Aparna,
good.
Farhana is showing
Yeah.
you.
Very nice. Good.
Okay, where's Ahmad, Humaira, Mozam, Mutafir? Come on.
Ma'am, Munib.
Saklin. Yeah, Munib is showing. Come on, Saklin.
Yes, excellent. Munib, that's good.
Amina is showing.
Amina, yes. Nice. All
Come
of you
on.
are good.
Safiya. Ahmad Qazi is showing. Ahmad Qazi.
Ahmad Qazi, excellent. I loved it. Very nice. Abdullah, yes, you're getting it. You understood what I'm trying to tell you. So go ahead now, okay? So now we are going to take the lightest shade of gray, which we have in our oil pastels. And just below the dark gray, which we have done, I'm going to make one. One more shade here, okay? And the same way, I will just spread it.
And what if there are no two dark gray and light gray? If you
So
don't
no
have, what
problem.
will you do?
No problem, no problem. So here, then you have to learn to, press the crayon, the oil pastels according to the dark and light. So that is later. But right now, you can just use one gray which you have. Then I'll show you how to lighten that.
Okay.
So once we have done this light gray, has everybody done?
Is it okay if that smudge goes outside the triangle?
No problem. I'm just explaining what we are doing here. So it's okay if it goes out.
Amina,
just
remember
practice.
there is no box. There are no lines. Think outside it, paint outside it. Okay, Amina?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Abdullah Saqib is showing it to you.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, Abdullah. Okay. Humaira, yeah, can you just show it to me again? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Can I go ahead?
Yes, please.
Okay. So now I'm going to use the white, and white is normally used to spread the black color. Like you can use a lot of white to lighten the black that we have used. So you can get the different gray shades by using white also. So here I'm going to use the white in the bottom of the triangle. I'm going to use a lot of white. So you can see that. And you can just slowly spread it from the top to the bottom.
Ma'am, like this?
Who's speaking?
Amina.
Amina? Yeah. Use a little more white. You should be able to see the different shades. You can see shade is here, then it gets a little lighter, and the lightest one here. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't have white.
Okay, so you will have to manage now using the light gray color, and wherever we have white, you will have to just leave that space. So I will show you how to do that once we go ahead.
क्या शेयर करेंगे तो होता है
And every time we use white, na? Yes, sorry, who is
Ma'am,
this?
this is just for practice, right? Or just the drawing?
This is just practice. We will start later.
Okay.
Once you understand what I'm trying to do here, then we move ahead. So once we use the white oil pastel, you can see that the edges have become black. Okay. So then it is best to rub it either on the cloth or on a rough paper to remove the black shade. Okay. So you will again get a clean oil pastel. And please do that, otherwise you will not get the shade that we want. So everyone has understood this?
Okay. Amina is showing it to you.
Yes, Amina.
Farhana
That's
is
nice,
showing. Yes. Come on. Sakleen. Humaira
Yes,
is
Farhana.
showing. Ahmad. Safiya. Mozam Mudabir.
I haven't seen Mozam Mudabir's painting.
Come on, Mozam Mudabir.
And Humaira?
Mozam, you alone. Where's Mudabir?
Yes, yes.
He's sitting besides.
Okay, okay. Show his pointing
Okay,
as
that's
well.
good, Mozam. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, see, that's Mozam and Mudabir's painting, Aparna.
Yeah, Yes, Mudabbir, that's good. If you can just rub the white more.
This is just a practice about the technique. How are you going to blend the colors and how are you going to do shading? Now your actual painting will start now.
Coconut oil.
Should we use another page?
Yes, now we use another page. So everybody has understood. Sakleen, have you finished?
It's not working. I'm supposed to
What is not working? I can't see your painting. Yeah, that's good. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, so now we take a new page.
take crayon into rubbing.
ठीक है, अच्छा हो रहा है. Going good. Are you new?
And I hope you all have got some rough papers or newspaper along with you. Everybody has newspaper or any rough paper will do. Okay, so you can just tear one piece like this. Now here we are going to make mountain shapes, okay? So you have to tear the page to make it look like a mountain. Just observe me first and then you all do. Can you see this?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So you can make it a little sharp edge.
Okay.
Can all of you see?
Now can they do it, Aparna?
Yeah.
Can you show it once more?
Okay. So we take a piece of paper, newspaper like this, and we tear it to get a shape of a mountain. So it can be randomly. Everybody is going to have different shapes here. See.
Aparna,
Ma'am,
you want them to?
Yeah.
Yes, please go on.
Yeah.
How many do you have to make? Only one, right?
Yeah. Right now we start with one.
Actually, there are two mountain peaks, right?
Yeah. There are two. See, it's going to be different for everybody. So that's
Okay.
going to be the beauty of the whole thing.
Okay, Aparna, just one thing. Should they
Yeah.
hold the book horizontal or vertical?
Hold it vertical. See here.
Okay.
You can see my book.
Right. So please, everybody, make sure your book is vertical. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay, that's good.
Wow, Amina, love them.
That's
Okay.
nice. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead now. Everybody is done with this?
no.
Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, can you check mine, please?
Who is speaking?
Abdullah
Abdullah Saqib.
Saqib.
I can't see your screen, Abdullah.
Yeah, now he's on, Aparna.
Yeah, that's good. So if you can see mine, I have made, see one mountain is slightly bigger, and then there's another one. So you can have 2 or 3 peaks, and then a
Is
little
my correct?
tapering here. So you can do it that way. Who is that?
Yes,
Yeah, that's very
Safiya.
nice.
Safiya.
Safiya, very nice. That's a good shape.
Lovely. They look natural, Safiya. Let's go hiking, everybody.
अच्छा वेरी गुड साइज बराबर एमएल लेवन का आपने भी नहीं
वर्टिकल पेपर हम लोग को नहीं था है ना
हां
और पेपर में हम लोग को मिल गई तो ये करना
एमएल પછી आपको
Done, everyone?
कंप्लीट तो થઈ ગયું બેટા એમએસ કે એમ કરते हैं ना जो ये लोग ने हां એટલું આવું બસ છે ને
એવું રાખો
जो આવું ચાલે
I can see a
જો ને
thumbs
બરાબર
up.
એટલું હવે પાછો ફોન છે जल्दी पूछो मैम मैम लोग पूछी तो जल्दी जल्दी पूछो तो करवागे हां पूछी जाने वाली
Can you go ahead now?
Yeah, if you can go ahead, just give a thumbs up so she knows
and
you're
my
at one.
paper is small, so should I take it like this?
Who is speaking?
Safiya.
Safiya, yes. That's good. Yeah, you can do that. You can do that.
हां एमए भी नीचे दिया
Munib, Humaira, Ahmad, y'all are done?
Okay, so let's go ahead now. Mozam and Mudabbir.
Yes.
Great.
Aparna ma'am, I really wish I had these kind of classes in my school. I would have at least been a creative person.
I still feel you can join in and enjoy this.
I'm enjoying it. I'm joining in and enjoying it. Only thing, I won't show my art. Alright.
Okay, so now we take this paper and keep it on top of the page. So this is a mountain range which is the farthest from us. Okay, so obviously, if you just think about it, the things that are far away are less visible, right? So when we want to show that in our painting, we have to show it in a way that the farther things are lighter. So we are going to use the lightest gray shade here. And if you don't have a light gray shade, we will use white and make it light. Okay. So I will just start now, just stop and watch me. And then later on, you all can continue.
Just one question, Aparna. So this mountain will be more towards the top part of the page, right?
Right.
Okay.
And like this?
So if you can see, yeah, that's good. Good that you have, or you can even use masking tape. If at all you get a chance, just buy it so that you can fix your page and then it will not move. And see that you keep it on top. Okay, see, like you've seen this edge and I'm keeping it here. And I have to really hold it and then start shading.
I think let's just observe the teacher, what she's doing, and then we can go ahead with it.
Yeah, please watch me first.
A light gray shade.
We have light gray or dark gray.
No problem. So we will use white and make it lighter. So I'm just making the peak of the mountains with gray. Then I go to the next mountain. And
Ma'am,
as
we
I
don't have to
go
join both the
further,
mountains, ma'am.
sorry,
We don't have to join the both mountains.
can you show me your page, please?
He's saying, do we need to join both the mountains in coloring, Aparna?
Yes. So it's one range. So here, and now as I'm going further, now this side is going to be slightly darker than this my right hand side of my page. So as I'm going further, I'll just leave it. I will not shade too much because that's where I want to show more of clouds and lighter shade of gray. Okay. So now I will start shading it. I will either use a sponge or a cloth or tissue and start rubbing. Get the shade down. Can you see this?
Wow. So basically the left side of the page, the mountain is more thicker. The colors you'll use will be thicker a bit. And the
Yeah.
right side you will use lesser. Okay, fantastic.
Okay. So now we will shade. You can use a white.
Just
And
watch her first and then you can do the mountains all together. Just watch her.
See. Now I'm using a white to blend the gray along with the paper and the other mountain range. And here I'm going to make more white so that it looks foggy and cloudy here. Okay. So once I've done this, again I'm going to just slightly rub into my color and try to spread it. And doesn't matter if this gray gets lighter because we want this mountain to look very light. So we can still rub on it and make it lighter if you want to. And if you see, I'm just taking my strokes like this to show a slope. So automatically in your painting, there will be a slope, mountain slope like this, okay? So this is my first layer.
Ma'am, can you start making?
Yeah, now y'all can start. And don't worry if it's dark or light or whatever, it doesn't matter. Later on we can rectify that by using a lot of white color.
Just have fun, enjoy yourself, and just let your creativity go ahead with you, okay?
Actually, arts is something that, you know, you don't have to really worry about being right or wrong. Everybody is right. It's
Oh,
not
yes.
like maths, you know, it's not like maths.
I really wish Aparna, my art teacher in school, would have thought that, you know. I would always get a C+.
Actually, even I used to get C only.
Oh no, don't say that in front of my students.
No, because I don't know.
okay.
I yeah, and it's a fact. I mean, because of practice, I got better.
Ma'am, Muneeb, like this.
Okay, Muneeb, what I wanted you to do was the entire page, right? You've taken this rough page and the entire page has to be covered. Okay. So this is just like, you know, this the triangle that I have done, that was just for practice. But now we are going to use the whole page. So take another newspaper if you have and tear it and use the entire piece on your book. Okay, so you're going to get one whole thing. The whole book has to be covered. Can you see my page? Right from here till here, there is color, and you can see a mountain range there.
Ma'am,
Abdullah, yes, Amina, yes, very nice. Abdullah was also good. Only thing is, I would like you all to use a little more gray and then shade it. You know, see what I can see in your painting is, I can see the edge. That
Is
is
my
gray.
correct?
The color has to come down. It has to spread, so it looks more
Ma'am, is my
natural.
correct?
Okay? Yes, Sophia, very nice, excellent. So did you understand, Amina? And okay, Ahmed Kazi, very nice. So can you complete the entire Ahmed Kazi? Even you have to go all the way to the end of the page. Okay. So if you want, you can make one more mountain, or maybe just give it a shade there. See, like here, till the edge, I have made the mountain. Okay.
So the top layer is light gray, and then you have used the white color, right?
Yes. Then you have to keep blending it with the cloth. So you will get a smooth finish, no edges.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, very nice, Saklin. Use white at the bottom and give it shade. Amina, yes. Okay.
Farhana.
Farhana, nice. So the right hand side of my painting, I'm just using more of white to make it lighter.
Ma'am, where do we have to do white?
On the right hand side, this side of the page, this corner.
Which side of the page? Here? Over here?
Who was speaking? 1 second. Yes, Safia. Yes, this side. Yes. So can you see slowly that gray is
Ma'am, Munib,
almost
like this?
not visible now. Munim, yes. Now the right hand side I wanted lighter.
Here.
Yeah, so you can use white. See, now this side, my gray is almost gone away. Okay, so you get a nice shade over there.
Amina is showing it to you, Aparna.
Yeah, just a moment. Yes, Amina.
Awesome, Mudabbir, Sakleen, any help? Just chill, relax, go with the flow, do it smoothly. There is no right and wrong, remember.
So all those who have finished, you all can start making another layer. So you'll have to take another page and similarly just stir it, this entire page. So you will get another layer of mountains. I would like to see your paintings before we go ahead. Safia, excellent.
Abdullah
Nice.
Saqib has done a
Humaira,
second level also.
yes. Abdullah, very nice. Humaira, very nice. Wait. Muazzam and Mudabbir. Wow, very nice.
Ma'am, you have to make the second layer also below it.
Yes, you have to make the second layer. So once everybody is done, then I'll go ahead with it.
Okay, wait, now just make the mountain and just wait before you start the second layer, the second set of
Yeah.
mountains. Because just see the spacing.
All those are finished, they can just put the painting on the screen.
Okay, are we done? Can I have a thumbs up from everybody? If we are done, we just go ahead. Oh yeah, that's my Muazzam Mudabbir, Humaira, Abdullah.
Very nice.
Okay. Munib,
Okay.
Amina, Safiya.
Great. So
Okay,
now we go
fantastic. Yeah, please
and
go
then the
ahead.
second layer. So now here I have just, again, the way I have used this. See here, this peak was higher than this one. Same way, now this side, now the right hand side is going to be slightly higher than the left hand side. Okay, and just see your placement should be, see here we have finished with the white, right? So this you have to place it on top of that. Not very close to the peak, but say here. We can start our peak here, okay? Now again, the same way we have to shade. Here you can use the darker shade of gray. If you don't
We have to
have
use
darker,
the paper.
sorry?
We have to use the same base that we used for the first peak.
Same,
No,
sorry?
no, Amina, you can see all the set of mountains can't be same, right? So again, you make another set of mountains. Again, you tear a paper, or maybe on that only you just make a bit of more difference.
Yeah, just make it slightly different. It cannot look the same. So, you know, here you will get a very natural look to it.
So you need not use the same one, just make a bit difference on it.
Ma'am, we need to cover the whole mountain.
Yes, you have to cover the whole thing.
Just wait,
Okay,
watch her
but-
before you start with the second set. Once she's done, you'll come to know how much spacing you have to keep, okay?
Now this mountain of mine is ending here, right? So the next peak will come here. Can you see that? It will come here. There's not space we are going to leave and start here. Okay, now I'm using a darker gray. And again, the same way, same technique. So this side, now the right hand side of my page is going to be darker than my left hand side.
So the right side over here is thicker than the left side.
Okay, so just watch me. Now again, same way, the same technique which I used, I'm going to just rub off the paint and bring it down. If we want it darker, we can again use gray and make it darker. Now just see, okay, don't start. Can you see this? So you can see the difference.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it like this?
Amina.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. You can start.
Okay, Aparna,
No,
if you don't
yeah.
have a dark gray, what will you do? How will you do it?
So the same daylight, now the same daylight gray which I used, what I can do is I can use it here and use white and lighten this. So suppose now I have this gray and this gray, okay, they are similar sort of, and I want it lighter. So I'm using a white and making it lighter. So the white helps you. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
And if you wanted lighter, use less
Ma'am.
pressure on the gray. So once you use less
Ma'am,
pressure,
cover
you
the
will not get
mountain.
a very dark shade.
It will be down.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yes, Abdullah Sakir, this is the first layer. Now you'll have to do the second layer, and you'll have to spread the color more. So you get, from dark to light, you can see smoothly. Now again, same way, here
Like
I'm going to
this?
use white. Yes, but you know what? You will have to spread your color little more. Okay, so you don't see too dark edges.
Okay.
It's more like you blending the colors so that they just appear
Yeah,
that they are
they should.
set together rather than, two different entities.
So same way, I have used white color and blended again. And again, this time my left hand side of page is lighter. Okay.
Ma'am, like this?
Yes, Amina. I need more smooth. In the sense, see if you can see, gray and white are blending. Though here it is dark, but you cannot see the difference. Slowly it goes into white. Okay, only the edge. Just as we have to show that these are mountain, only the edge should be slightly
Now it's okay now.
darker. 1 second. Yeah, little more if you can do it will be great, but with practice you will get it. Okay, you can use more of white and get the shades.
Ma'am, I added the white.
Yeah, okay. Okay, that's good. I need the gray should be slightly more blended, but it's okay. You can keep trying on that. You can keep using white and still blend it further. Otherwise, the shape and all is good.
Aparna, is there a technique for blending it? Do you go in circles or do you, like it's like
See, it depends. Now, these are mountains, right? So now suppose if I have to blend a cloud, I'm definitely going to use circular strokes so that the cloud looks fluffy.
okay.
Okay. So I explained initially only that I need you all to blend it like this so that we get the slope of the mountain. So it has to go like this from top to down. But if it is a cloud, you can make a circular blending movement. Like suppose I make a cloud here. I will go round and round here to blend it. Okay, Amina. Okay, that's good.
Farhana.
Nice, very nice. Humaira, yes, you've made the edges a little darker. So you can blend, see, suppose now if you have this edge which is very dark, just a minute, I'll show you. Suppose we have this edge dark, okay? You can see my page. And now we want to blend it, okay? Once you use your cloth, still my edge is dark, right? So I'm going to use white. And then again blend it. Okay. I can also use a little gray and make it smoother. So later on, you can just keep practicing and try to make your edge a little smoother. Like your edge is looking very dark, Humaira. Safia, nice.
I think now we can continue with the painting in the next session, Aparna.
Okay, we can do that. So I'll just show you something which you can
Amina
complete
is showing
later.
it, Aparna. Amina.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Amina. Okay, great. So now this particular mountain is closer to us, okay? So a little bit of details on this mountain will be visible, though it will not be very clear,
Me.
but it will be visible. So I'm going to use gray. Can you see this? As if from far away, I can see that there are trees on the mountain. Just small triangles. You can just make one line. See, the tree is going to be, these are the coniferous trees, okay? So I'm doing those. So this is a line, and then you just make something like this, which does not have to be very clear, but it will give the impression of a tree, okay, on the mountain. So it has to be light, very light. It should blend with the mountain, but still visible that we can see the trees over there far away, okay?
Perfect.
Yes, Amina, but I want you to make it on the second layer of mountains, okay?
Okay.
So this layer
We
Yeah.
want to extend it to next week as also, Aparna ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. We can do that. Just you can, just summarize and let them know what to do.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm the
So
devil's
this is-
advocate.
So I just want you all to make these impression of trees on this layer, the second layer, and that's it. Then we'll go ahead. Can I just see everybody's drawings once, please?
So Aparna, on the second layer, on both the mountains, you want the trees only on the right side.
See, we can show, see here, this area, you can just avoid. Okay. So
the
mostly
cloud.
it will be here and slight bit over here. Okay.
Okay.
Slight bit. See up till here. And then here it goes again, it is faded. So as if we cannot see that. Or maybe,
Okay.
It's foggy or it's cloudy.
Okay, fantastic. So the
Okay.
painting isn't over yet. We'll continue it in the next session. Okay. So leave
Yes.
the page blank because you have something else coming up. And could everybody just show your paintings to Aparna, please?
See, we are going to make something like this once it is complete. This is a rough sketch, but something similar to this. Okay. Farhana, very nice. Amina, nice, very nice. So once, yeah, Mozam, very nice. Who else is showing me? Ahmed Kazi, nice. Abdullah, good. I like those trees there. Very nice, Homera. Yeah, good. Very good.
So I think that is for the day, Aparna.
Okay. So we
Thank you.
complete the painting next week.
Just the trees part, okay?
Yeah, just the tree part you have to do.
So thank you so much.
Thanks to all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
See you all. See you all next week. Bye.
Ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Welcome.